Hey, what is going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to show you the email campaign, the email sequence that's making me roughly $100 per day with ClickBank. And at the end of this video, you'll have the chance to copy the whole entire thing. But before we get into the content, make sure that you do a few things because I'm giving away $1,000 to a random subscriber that does the following. Number one, they make sure they're subscribed. So if you're not subscribed already, click the subscribe button and tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Number two, like this video. And number three, make sure that you put a unique comment below that's relevant to the training that you're receiving here. If you do those things, you will be entered to win $1,000 at random, but you have to do it on every single video that I state this contest occurs within. Okay, so if I'm mentioning to make sure that you like, that you comment, that you subscribe and tick that bell icon, that way you'll know that this is part of that specific competition. So with that being said, I'm excited to jump into the computer screen right now and show you this $100 per day strategy that I've been implementing for the past month roughly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and number one, I'm gonna log into the ClickBank account. Go ahead and click log in again. And you guys can see we're on a new week right now, but fairly consistent, right around $700 per month. As you can see right here, we're averaging. So looking pretty good. And this is pretty much on complete autopilot due to this autoresponder series. But before I send them through this autoresponder series, I send them through my front end offer, which is actually what I talked about in a previous video. And that video will be listed below in the description below. So you'll know a little bit more about how this flows and how this works with this ClickBank email sequence. So once we bring people through this process, then they're a qualified buyer. And once they're a qualified buyer, they're more than likely going to buy other products and other services. And that's where within this email sequence, I get them to purchase a ClickBank product that's going to help them get to their end goal. So I'm going to jump to Kartra. I'm going to show you this email campaign right here. You guys might use Aweber, you might use, there's a million different autoresponders out there. There's GetResponse, there's SendLane, there's ConvertKit, I believe. I mean, there's so many different ones out there. So we're gonna go to sequences right here. And then I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna go to AM General Sequence. And we're gonna click on Edit. And we're going to click on Edit again. And I want to show you what these emails look like. So I'm going to show you a couple of the emails. We've got only 6 in the follow-up series so far, and I'm continuing to add more. But just off of the 6, you're able to see the results that I've produced. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Edit right here and click on the actual email content. And I want to show you what I'm doing here that's different than what you're seeing with most affiliate marketers. And let me kind of draw it out here. So instead of just sending people from an email straight to the affiliate offer with your ClickBank affiliate link, what I do is I send people to a landing page first. Okay. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm sending people straight from the email, the different emails, to a landing page with a video. Okay, so these are all these represent landing pages. We'll just quickly put LP in each of these. LP, LP, and LP. Okay, and then from the landing page, what we're doing is we're sending them to the actual affiliate offer, which would be, of course, your affiliate link right here. So your ClickBank affiliate link. Okay. And even after we send these emails, we can then put them on another email sequence and sell other offers, such as high ticket offers. So what we're doing is we're sending one customer through this sequence right here. They're buying some low ticket products that helps us make some money, recoup some advertising costs. And then on the back end, we promote other products that will help them get to their end goal, as well as put them on other sequences to sell other products. So as these different customers complete these various sequences, so for this $60 product right here, there's one full sequence. Once they complete that one full sequence, then they go on to another sequence, and then they are exposed to a different product. That's where these landing pages can come into play, and that's where they would go to a whole entire different affiliate offer. And then it would repeat again, another series of emails that would go to yet another high ticket offer. And as you noticed, and I'll show you this again before we end this video, before I logged into this specific sequence, you were able to see other sequences. So you let sequences represent a series of emails that a customer goes through. What most affiliate marketers also do is they send people through just one sequence, one time, and that's it. Then they don't receive any more emails and they're not promoting any other offers. You always want to be recycling the leads, sending them through various different offers that actually genuinely help them, and mix it with valuable content. So what we're doing right here in this specific case for this email sequence is we're sending people to these landing pages. Okay, so this is a perfect example. So what happens is when the prospect clicks the link right here, it's going to take them to a landing page, as I explained, that looks exactly like this. It's got the headline, it's got a video, and then it has a button. The button is coded with my ClickBank affiliate link. So they'll watch the case study video in which I show them proof of a recent affiliate campaign, show them that the product actually works in action, and then have them click the link to go purchase the product. You see, that is the key. You must document your journey and show people results, whether it's results that you're getting, results that somebody else is getting. The most important thing is to build that rapport and show results. So I'm always showing results in each and every one of these emails that go to these different videos. So all these videos are showing results. So if we click and view this email right here, this link goes straight to the next video in the sequence, which is day 2 right here. Again, showing more results, then showing people on screen that the results are legitimate, and then once again having them click the button below that sends them straight to the affiliate product in which they can purchase the product. And they can even, if you look down below right here, they can even go back and watch the previous case study videos and the previous results. So I'm really documenting my journey going from day 1 to day 2 to day 3 to 10, and then update 4, so on and so forth. So as I generate more results, I build out my email sequence. I write an email based around those results and send people to the results video, and then just simply rinse and repeat and build off of the previous results for the future videos that I create. So that's where I'm really creating the snowball effect of creating results inside of my ClickBank account. So it's very, very simple. You have an email sequence, you send people to a landing page, documenting your results, showing some proof that the product works, and then just simply sending people to the ClickBank affiliate link instead of sending people directly from the email to the ClickBank affiliate link like what most people are doing. You're injecting yourself and your brand in between to build that know, like, and trust, to build that rapport and generate those results. So the last thing that I wanted to show you before we wrap up here is I wanted to show you that there's all these different email sequences. So when somebody's done with this email sequence, they might go to the monthly Done For You campaign sequence, or they might go to the MSI sequence, in which I have a whole other different sequence of emails that they will receive. And right here in particular, I'm promoting a high ticket product. And that is how it works. So my question for you is, how would you like to copy this whole entire process that you saw here. You'll be able to copy this process and deploy it inside of your life, inside of your business, and really shortcut your success. Now, if you like the sound of that, go ahead and check out the resources section below for more information. I also just launched our brand new Facebook group that you'll be able to get access to below. But nonetheless, check out the resources section. And if you got value from this video, and if you want to enter into this giveaway of $1,000 to a random subscriber, you got to make sure you do this on every video. Like, comment a unique comment based off the value in this video. It's got to be a thought-provoking comment. It can't just be repeating what I'm saying here, and you will be entered to win that giveaway. Again, like, comment, subscribe, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And also, don't forget to check out the resources section below, and we will see you in the next video.